You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the British editor of Vogue. If you want to learn more names that can be confusing, especially from fashion names, I've got everything for you at the end, more videos for you at the end of this one. Anna, that's English pronunciation, of course. Anna, I've seen videos saying winter, no, Wintour, Wintour, okay, so like win and tour, Anna Wintour, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.